cautious while I will sit and I will take care of my life because life is more important. That was all my words for you guys. Assalamualaikum everybody and welcome back to another vlog. Well, this vlog is gonna be crazy. You know why? Because today's day is gonna be crazy. Today we have only one day at Hunza and you can't imagine what we have to do here. Like for example, today I have to go to HUSSAINI Bridge, today I have to go to KHUNJERAB Paas, and as well as ATTABAD Lake, and there are so many fun activities over there that I have to participate in, and I am so excited. I'm already ready. You know what? None of the member of my group is awake. I have already done my breakfast. I'm totally ready as you see, and I am so excited and energetic right now. Yesterday I got guilt literally from that jeep. I was standing on that and on my this hand and this hand, my dole shole actually or you can say biceps and triceps are in very much pain. On the other hand, I was sitting with the driver. You know, my sister and me were adjusted in one seat only, so I don't know, there was something at back of my back. Oh, whenever I touch it, it still hurts. That was again and again hitting me because the path was so rocky and he was just moving so fast and my back still hurts. So my entire body hurts, but still I am excited to go because these days never come back and you must enjoy every moment that you have. So let's go. So the moment I have entered Hunza, I've just seen foods. Hunza is very green and it's very beautiful, and here there are so many apples, pears, stuff like that. And the hotel I'm staying in is also full, is a total garden. Okay, there are huts over here. Let me show you. You see, there are huts here, and the rest of it is the entire garden. You know what? When I woke up, I ate 2 pears here. They were really tasty, even though they were still at the early stage. They were growing, but they were sweet. Yeah, and that's my sister. She's also ready right now. Are you ready? What has happened to you, man? क्या हुआ है? दिमाग खराब. Oh man, I don't know what has happened to her, but as I told you, I'm always energetic. Yeah, she sometimes loses her energy.
I'm more energetic than you.
If you are more energetic than me, then why are you lutking like this?
Because I want to.
What I want to?
I want to lutking.
At front of her, I also forget English because she's so, I can't say anything.
I'm
Okay.
so good. I am so good.
No, impossible thing. No. Of course not.
I am corrective.
Okay, so let me tell you, the hotel I'm staying in, I won't rate it because I just can't say anything.
Guys, it's 10 out of 10.
No, it's not.
You really need to come to Walnut.
No, of
Hotel,
course not.
Walnut Huts.
No. The garden here is beautiful, but I'm not gonna rate anything about the rooms. So if you come to Hunza, you will be shocked because the water here is grey, literally. The first time I came here, at that time the water was grey as well as brownish in some areas. It was like, Mama, this is so dirty. But actually that water is not dirty. That is pure water that they drink as well and use for hygiene as well. But right now I was talking to the person and he said maybe it's a hard water and you should not consume lots of water. Yeah, but that water is also kind of medicine, so you must have it. So there is no need to be shocked because that water is a mineral water here. The view here is so awesome. Let me just show you. Look at those mountains. The ice over them, snow. Wow. They're fully covered in snow. सारी उतार लिए इन्होंने.
हाँ, चोरी की.
चोरी
के सबको खिलाएंगे.
वाह, इतने अच्छे बड़े सबको खिलाते हैं.
हाँ, तो क्या.
Right now I am in a beautiful garden of Hubani. I don't know their English name, but this is so beautiful.
वो देखो, इसके बाद वहाँ ऐसे रखेंगे. इसके बाद वो जो है
Look how beautiful it is. They have put them there for drying them up. See? So right now we are on our way to ATTABAD Lake, and check the views on our way. They are so beautiful. ATTABAD Lake. ATTABAD Lake is also one of the very beautiful lakes here at Hunza, and it's quite very famous. Especially Jetski is famous over here, and it's so beautiful.
इसकी नहीं करनी, छोटी सी है. छोटी है.
It's quite sunny here. Not very hot, but normal. We don't need to wear jackets over here. Usually at night it's quite cold, or other months, but not in July. And now they are going to sit on it. Let's see. That was so much fun. I can't even walk on my own. Even I did a little bit, but it was awesome. I don't have words for it. And that was so fast. That was so much fun. When he was driving, I was getting hit again and again. But when I did it, when he just gave it to me, I was like, what do I do now? But it was a good experience overall.
गाइस बहुत मजा आया मुझे.
मजा आया आपको?
बहुत मजा आया.
So much fun here. Michelle, did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed a lot.
Jet ski is just awesome. We took fast jet ski. There are kinds of jet ski. Very fast, smooth, double, single. We took fast one and it was awesome. It was really fast. I felt like I was about to fall in water, and I was asking him, will I drown? He said, no, nothing will happen. Now that's the zip line. Well, here is also zip line, but we are planning to take zip line in Hussaini Bridge. Zip line of Hussaini is also very famous. This one is also quite good. It depends on your choice, of course. We already took jet ski from here, and we have the option of zip line as well, but we are planning to go to the Hussaini Bridge. Hussaini Bridge is also one of the wonders. I mean, that's really awesome. That's a scary bridge, and only some people walk on it, and this time I'm gonna walk for sure. Last time I did not walk on it, but this time I'm gonna be strong and I'm not gonna be scared, because there is the flowing water over there and the flow is so fast. The people are scared that what if they slip, and because of that fear nobody walks on that. But and the other reason is that bridge is very old, made up of wood, and people think that that might break, so that's why. But this time I'm gonna go for it for sure. Now all of us are going back, and we are now planning to go to, I don't know, I will tell you on our way. We plan to get an ice cream. There are many stores over here. You can have any you want. There are foreigners as well. Look. Finally, we are here at Hussaini, and near Hussaini are the Pasu cones. Let me show you. Here they are, and at Hussaini there is Hussaini Bridge, as well as you can go for the zip line here. There's also Hussaini Village over here. Mama, idhar aao. And Hussaini Suspension Bridge is almost 495 meters. There you see it. That is the way to Hussaini Suspension Bridge. We have to walk to get to Hussaini Suspension Bridge. So let's go. My foot are wet because while I was taking jet ski, water got into my shoes. Chal mama. We have to buy tickets when entering it, so they charge us 100 rupees for the entry, and now we are on our way to go. There's here, so you need to be cautious. The rest is good.
Guys, हम लोगों ने टिकट्स ले लिया और अब हम सारे जा रहे हैं towards the bridge.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
So that is Hussaini Bridge.
Guys, we finally reached Hussaini Bridge. मगर यहाँ पर इतना रश
Zipline कहाँ से है?
जिप लाइन वैसे उधर ही नीचे उतरी थी, हम लोग गलत जगह
इधर ही है मैं
वो ऊपर से उसकी स्टेयर से डांस करवाई नहीं है, वो जहाँ पे हम लोग खड़े थे ना वहाँ से नीचे दिखाई दे रही थी.
People are waiting to go over there. I'm also excited. We are on our way to get the ticket of Zipline. Let's go.
मैं सही कह रही थी, ऊपर ही है.
चल मम्मा को तो लें दो.
हमने जैकेट नहीं पहनी, ध्यान से जाना वरना तुम्हें.
It is scary because it is old, and and it keeps moving. And that's here. So this is the Hussaini Bridge. You see, people are very cautious while moving, and that's me, because the previous time I was not able to go, and that's not fair. And I'm not scared anymore, and that's why I want to even go in the middle, but right now we don't have time. I have to go back for the zipline, so let's go back. I wasn't feeling anything, but when I came up the stairs, after that now I feel a little bit scared. Look at them. Oh my god. Let's go to mom and let's try it. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
I don't know what to expect. My sister and my mother has already taken it before, but not me. So I don't know. But so let's go. It was a scary, a very good experience. I'm not the one who gets scared easily, but this time I was like, no, I'm not gonna get my phone there. I was like, it's okay. I did it. It was so much fun. So we went there and then came back. It was fun. Oh my god. Now we are heading back and going to KHUNJERAB Paas, which is also known as China border. We were getting down. We were just like running because it was a slope. Now we have to move upward. And when moving down, gravity helps us move down. And when we are moving up, there is another force that is taking us behind. So there is a action and a reaction. Therefore, it becomes difficult for us to climb up. Therefore, now I am thirsty and tired. That's it. But it's okay. It was a fun experience. We are on our way to KHUNJERAB Paas, and they stopped there. So for having some lunch, but we already ate at HUSSAINI Bridge, therefore there is no need for that. Right now we are exploring Hunza.
बैठ के आना ना, फिर नहीं गिरूंगी. ये शॉर्टकट है. हमें इतना घूम जाना, ये नहीं फिसलेगा पागल. देख, कुछ नहीं होगा. मैं आ रही ना. Follow me.
Look at my sister taking pangas. We are not sure if we should go there or not, but we are going because there is water over there. Right now I am sitting on the top of the bus. This is gonna be my first time and I am so damn scared, and I don't think I will be filming this journey. I will sit and I will take care of my life because life is more important. That was all my words for you guys.
मैंने अपनी अम्मा से कहा था कि भाई मैं वादा करती हूँ नहीं पढ़ना.
हम लोग बैठ गए, हमारा जो जर्नी स्टार्ट हो
बनाएंगे. हाँ, पकड़ के.
have been traveling for so many days, and yesterday I got bellyache. Literally, it hurt so much. And now, after that, I was in relief, okay, because I took medicine. But after by sitting on the bus, I started feeling bellyache again, and I was in so much pain, but I still bared it. I was almost dead after reaching HUSSAINI Paas, but I still managed to take photos and record videos. But I asked my sister to record them, so she did that part for me. And look at these views, they were so beautiful over there. You know, the path towards the HUSSAINI Paas is just awesome. We capture and we come to see so many beautiful things, so many wonders of the world that you just don't wanna get out of it. Finally, we are here at China border or HUSSAINI Paas. It's very cold here. It's very cold here, even though there ain't snow everywhere. Snow is only on the sides, on the edges. It's not here. Last time I came to HUSSAINI Paas, snow was everywhere, and nobody was allowed to cross this. Today we can even go till that. Well, at that time I also went birds. I'm so tired. I am so cold. Oh yeah, that's it. We are going towards the border, where we will get to see Chinese. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cold. So on our way back, we visited Karimabad Bazar. Karimabad Bazar wasn't very crowded, but there were also so many stores over there, so you can buy anything or some things for your dear ones. So that was all for today. I hope you liked my vlog and it was informational. So like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.